Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful peanut brittles or peanut toffee, which we mostly enjoy here in Ghana. There are two types. There's one where the peanuts are not crushed into smaller pieces, and then there's one which the peanuts are crushed into smaller pieces as this. But today we are making this instead. So stay with me and let's get it done. These are the items we are using for today's groundnut brittles or peanut brittles. We have some butter, we have groundnuts which we've peeled off. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we'll start by pouring the sugar here and then we'll place it on our source of heat. So I'll mix it until the sugar starts to dissolve into a liquidy form and then it's caramelized. You can see it's starting to form the liquid. We are going to smear some butter on top of the chopping board and also around the rolling pin. So we'll straighten it out. So this is what I've got. We are going to start cutting through it. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.